going on, Rafaela?
I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
I'm jumping.
Out of an airplane?
Yes.
Was this your idea?
Yeah. Well, we're here for a friend's birthday, but
Well, happy birthday to your friend.
Thank you.
But since you're doing it for him, who are we going to blame if something goes wrong here today?
My sister.
Nice. How high are we going?
15,000 feet.
14,000 feet, actually.
14, yeah, that's what I meant.
It's almost 3 miles straight up. How you
Yeah.
feeling?
Nervous?
Are you excited though?
Yeah.
Not yet?
No.
You have anything to say to friends or family watching this at home?
No, I'm gonna do this, so I'm excited.
And you're gonna like it.
I hope so.
Me too.
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you at the plane.
Thank you.
Are you stunned?
But it was awesome.
Do it again?
Yes!
Welcome to skydiving.
Thank you.
I'll take everything from you inside with.